Here's how I'll build a local business website in 2026 that actually ranks on Google and AI. In this video, I'm going to cover an example site and how the page is structured so you could just copy me. So right now in local SEO, the main goal of a website is to rank the Google business profile. Because if you're in the top 3 in the map pack in a given city on the Google business profile, you're going to get 93% of all the calls. As a result, the website is basically used by Google and AI to see if the same content on the Google business profile matches the website. If it does, then your trust goes up, you rank the website, and the Google business profile goes up as well. The reason why this is so important is 80% of all searches are coming in from mobile. So as you can see here, sponsor results, these are either Google PPC or Google LSA ads. And then the first thing that pops up are going to be the map pack. So by ranking in the map pack, you're going to get so many more calls to the business, and your website is going to help you rank in the map pack as well. So first, I want to give you the uncomfortable data. So 0 website factors in 2026 for the top 10 local map listing. And the main goal of the website is for AI. Now that we've gotten more towards the AI age, the website will rank you on ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, all that stuff. There's 187 factors were scored by 47 local search experts. 45% use AI locally. This is up from 6% 1 year earlier. So the website will show up on these AI search engines. And then 88% of people actually check before they act. So your website needs to be stable with the Google business profile. And here is the example site I built for an imaginary company. As you can see here, the first thing that we see, basically the city and also what we do. This is in the H1 tag. And then we say all the areas that we serve, and then we have the embed on the right. And this is above the fold. So basically you need to see when a customer comes to your website, do they even need to scroll to take the actions that they need? So for example, call now or get a quote, you have all your trust badges down here, and then we'll take a look on mobile as well. So you could see the call now or the quote button. As you scroll, you have a call now or get quote button as well. Next, for the homepage, you need to tell them a little bit more about us, why they should pick you. This is a placeholder image, but all your images should have alt text to actually describe to Google and AI what the image covers. Next, we need to show them why they should even choose us over their competitors. Next, we have all our services pages. So you could see, don't have all your services on one page. You need separate pages for all the services that you offer. The same thing goes for the service area pages. By having unique content for every single area, Google knows that you're local to the area. If you just swap out the city or the service, you're not going to get your pages indexed, and therefore you can't be found on Google or AI as well. So I'll take a look at the service area pages, but I just want to go over the homepage and then attach your recent works. Within that, attach your reviews as trust badges, the areas that we serve, and then embed the Google business profile map on here as well. So this ties your website to the Google business profile. Next, you have a CTA down here, and make sure all this information is correct, consistent with your Google business profile. So now let's go over to our service pages. So let's go over to roof replacement. As a result, you could see why they should choose us, our entire process, serving the areas, and then FAQs. This is going to be parsed by AI search. So have your FAQs and also add the FAQ schema onto your website, and then attach recent jobs in that specific city, the reviews in that specific city, and then CTA as well. Now, if you're a local business and you want us to rank you #1 on Google Maps and also AI search, click a link in the description, book a call with me or one of my team members, and we'll get you all set up. If you're an agency and you want to white label GBP management for your clients, click a link in the description as well. There's a specific link for agencies. Now back to the video. Next are the service area pages. So as you can see, we have specifics about every single service area page. The reason why we have this, and we mentioned neighborhoods, the restaurants, is because if you don't have this, Google is going to see your page as not having enough information and won't rank you. As a result, we have all of the zip codes, and then we also attach the neighborhoods, the zip codes, and the landmarks we work near. And then next, we have the FAQs for those specific cities as well. And then for the reviews, we have those reviews from those specific cities. Next, we interlink it everything. So for example, you have the services pages, you have the service area pages, and then you need the service times area pages. So if you take a look here, gutter installation in Katy. So that's a combination of the service times the service area page as well. So next, I'll go back into what the website is actually for. So the main goal of a website is to confirm the entity, so the same name, address, phone number as the profile. It proves the categories that you claim and gives Google matching text to trust. Google's going to parse your Google business profile and then go to your website. If there's conflicting information, it won't rank you as well. Next, you get cited by AI. So plain text that AI can quote back. Service and city stated, not implied. And then third-party mentions point to it as well. So here's the architecture for the MVP launch of a website. So I would have 6 pages, nothing else at launch, and then you could add it as as you go. For most of our clients, we launch with 20 or 30 plus pages for all the services, areas, and then service times areas. But I would have the homepage, like I showed before, one page per service, the exact phrase a customer types as the H1 tag, one page per city, and then you have proof, you have the contact us, and then you have the about us to tell them a little bit more about your business. Now here's the anatomy I would use. So the H1 is the search phrase. So roof insulation in Katy. Service plus city written the same way that people say it. So roof insulation in Katy, roof insulation in Houston. In the first 100 words, you need to tell the user who, what, where in plain sentences. And then you need proof blocks. So real job, real photo, real number. And then you need NAP, name, address, phone number, consistency with the Google Business Profile as well. So even abbreviations, you need to have the same abbreviations, same capitalizations as the Google Business Profile. And then you have one clear call to action, whether it's call or book. And then for some of our clients, we have both call and book as well. Next, we need to talk about the schema. So what the local business schema actually does and what it doesn't. So Google requires two properties, name and address. You can add the geo, hours, telephone, URL. It's all officially recommended. Use the specific subtype, whether you're a plumber, electrician, not a local business, and one schema block per location page with that page's own data. So Google makes no claim that improves your rankings. However, with AI being so big, AI is going to scan this, and it's basically machine code that AI can read, and that's what gets cited in AI search. Now here's the city page test. So thin city pages versus one that, now here's the city page test. Thin city page versus one that earns its place. So the doorway version is the same 400 words, city and name, swap, stock photos, no addresses, no mention of a real job, 20 of them published all at once. That's not going to rank you. The version that holds is a job you actually did in the city, photos from that job site, local details that only a local would know, and then 4 pages, one per real market as well. Now here's what makes an AI assistant: name your client or name your local business. So you need to state the service and the city, plain sentences, answer the 5 questions customers actually ask on the page, keep the name, address, phone number identical across the board, earn mentions on sites that are not directories. So whether it is a manufacturing site, whether it's a local T-ball league, you need to get those mentions. And then you need to get review text that names the job and the town. So it's not about the quantity of reviews, it's about people actually making SEO friendly reviews, mentioning the service and the city. So here's how it sequences it for a client or local business. Number 1, match the NAP to the profile before writing a single page. Build home plus top earning service pages first, ship those 2, and add 1 city page per real market. Add the schema once content is final. Put the proof page live the week that you have 3 photos. Only then touch anything that looks like a blog. Blogs do not rank Google Business Profiles. The main goal is to have the service pages, the area pages, a good homepage that converts, because even if you can boost the conversion rate on a homepage from 1% to 3%, you're gonna get 3 times the amount of leads. So sell the site as evidence, not as ranking, then you can actually deliver it. So by having a good website, it not only converts people that might have not called you on the Google Business Profile, gone to your website, try to get a quote, but it also gives Google and AI more trust in your business, so that way you rank higher. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you're a local business, check out some of the links in the description. If you're an agency, you could go ahead and white label our GBP management tool, link in the description as well. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.